Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Max English. My name is Emma. I am so happy you are here for Lesson 3.
And hello, friends. My name is Max. Today I am very hungry, Emma.
That is good, Max, because today we are going to a restaurant. We will learn how to order food in English. Are you ready to eat?
Yes, I am ready to eat and ready to learn.
Excellent. Let's start with the first step. When you walk into a restaurant, what is the first thing you say?
I say, give me food?
Oh no, Max, that is not very polite. You should say, hello, a table for two, please.
Ah, okay. A table for two, please.
Very good. Repeat after me, listeners. A table for two, please. Great. Now let's look at the menu. Max, do you know what a menu is?
Yes, it is a book with pictures of food and the prices.
Exactly. A menu has different sections. First, we have appetizers or starters. These are small foods you eat before the main meal. Max, give me an example.
Maybe soup or a salad?
Yes, soup and salad are common starters. Next, we have the main course. This is the big meal. Max, what is a famous main course?
A burger or pizza. I love pasta too.
Good choices. And after the big meal, we have dessert. This is the sweet food. My favorite is chocolate cake. What about you?
I love ice cream. Vanilla ice cream is the best.
To the listeners, what is your favorite dessert? Is it cake or ice cream? Say it aloud. My favorite dessert is... Perfect. Now, Max, let's practice ordering. When the waiter or waitress comes to your table, they will ask, "Are you ready to order?"
How should I answer, Emma?
Use the magic phrase, "I would like." It is very polite. For example, "I would like the chicken pasta, please."
Okay. I would like the beef burger, please.
Excellent. Never say, "I want." Always say, "I would like." Max, what would you like to drink?
I would like a glass of water.
Good. What if you want a soda?
I would like a Coke with ice, please.
Very polite, Max. You can also ask, "Can I have?" For example, "Can I have some extra napkins?"
Can I have extra napkins? I will remember that.
Sometimes we need something at the table. For example, you need a fork, a spoon, or a knife. These are called cutlery.
Emma, if I don't have a fork, what do I say?
You say, "Excuse me, can I get a fork, please?"
Excuse me, can I get a fork, please?
Great. And if the food is cold?
I say, this food is not hot.
Better to say, "Excuse me, my food is a bit cold. Can you heat it up, please?"
Wow, English is very polite.
Yes, it is. Being polite helps you get better service. Now, we are finished eating. We are full. What is the next step, Max?
We need to pay.
Yes, we ask for the bill or the check. Max, ask the waiter for the bill.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Perfect. And you can pay with cash, paper money, or a credit card.
I prefer to pay with a credit card. Do you accept cards?
Yes, that is a very common question. Do you accept cards? Okay, Max, let's do a full role play. I am the waitress, you are the customer. Hello, welcome to our restaurant. Are you ready to order?
Yes, for a starter, I would like the tomato soup, please.
Great. And for your main course?
I would like the grilled chicken with rice.
Excellent choice. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, a bottle of water, please.
Anything for dessert?
Not now, thank you. Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you, Emma. That was a good meal.
Let's see if our listeners remember. I will say a word and you tell me what it is. Sweet food after a meal.
Dessert.
Paper or book with food names.
Menu.
The person who brings the food.
Waiter.
The phrase to order food politely.
I would like.
You are amazing, Max. And to our listeners, keep practicing these phrases. Go to a restaurant and try to speak English.
Thank you, Emma. I am ready to go to a real restaurant now.
Me too. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you in lesson 4.